Okay, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Rick Aguiluz here and marami nagre-request sa akin to do an overview for Cryptex Legacy Solutions in Tagalog. Okay, so I'm doing this overview in Tagalog. Okay? Before we get started, bago tayo mag-umpisa, gusto ko muna ipalabas sa inyo itong 2-minute video. Okay?
The Retirement Plan is a comprehensive program designed to assist individuals with secure transitioning from outdated or vulnerable cryptographic systems to modern, robust encryption technologies on the blockchain. This initiative addresses the critical need for upgrading legacy cryptographic solutions to ensure data security and compliance with evolving industry standards. The Retirement Plan begins with a thorough assessment of existing cryptographic infrastructure and systems, identifying legacy algorithms, deprecated protocols, and potential security vulnerabilities. This evaluation helps stakeholders understand the risks associated with outdated cryptographic mechanisms and lays the foundation for developing a tailored retirement strategy. What if I told you that for every $100 processing fee, you're entered into a smart contract loan on the blockchain that's insured, and the offshore bank will start you with $30,240 for a 3-year contract and or $43,200 for a 5-year contract. It's staged, and with super compounding, you'll receive, after 3 years, $35,094. After 5 years, $471,487. It's been in operation since 2016 in Europe and fully operational worldwide since October 2020. You have to answer one important question. Do you have an income plan for the next 3 to 10 years? If not, you'll want to consider a legacy wealth plan, the likes of which will have you dreaming again. In fact, many do up to 10 smart contracts. Again, it's only $100 a piece. If you like what you see, you'll want to get in right away because this project will continue to grow and become more popular. In order to register for your wallet that handles all interest and calculations, you'll only need an email address and to create your password. This is passive and massive income. Referring is optional. To refer others, you'll need at least one active contract. This is not to be shared publicly. No screenshots on social media. Anonymity is the key to our success. Only share this with people you know and care about, such as family, friends, and coworkers. For more detailed information or to register, please get back with the person that shared this amazing system with you. Get started today.
Okay.
Dalawa lang yata. Pair ka in cash.
Okay. Tuloy natin ang presentation natin. I will do it in Tagalog because nire-request ng mga kasamahan natin na I should do one in Tagalog. Okay? So, ito yung bottom line sa Cryptex. Hindi ako gagawa ng 1-hour presentation. I go straight to the bottom line. Okay? You know how I work. I'm a bottom line person. So, bottom line tayo. Okay. Nagustuhan ko tong Cryptex kasi pwede kang magkaroon ng pera para makapag-umpisa ka ng negosyo mo o project mo o magplano ka ng retirement, or ito yung nakikita ko kaya nagustuhan ko to. Bayaran mo yung kotse mo in cash in 3 years. Okay? So, bili ka ng kotse or yung existing na kotse mo in 3 years, bayaran mo na. And then, pinaka-importante, bilhin mo yung bahay na gusto mo in 5 years. Meron ka ng pera. Okay? Or, yung bahay na tinitirhan mo ngayon, in 5 years, magkakaroon ka ng pera para bayaran mo in cash. Kaya nagustuhan ko tong program na to. And $100 lang yung fee nila to get started in a program. Okay? Ito yung standard disclaimer. So, ano yung Cryptex? It's a community project. So, ang operation is anonymous, walang CEO. Nag-utilize sila ng DeFi staking. Meron silang partnerships sa mga bangko, insurance companies, and individual account holders. Complete anonymity for everyone. And they have been operating, look at this, since 2016. Meron silang confirmed proof of payment and withdrawals from very happy participants. Okay? And there are over 450,000 account holders worldwide. So, marami ng membro itong Cryptex. Okay? So, ito nagustuhan ko rito. $100 lang ang handling fee. Tapos, in 3 years, magkakaroon ka ng 35,000. Makikita mo sa back office mo. Magkakaroon ka ng starting balance na 30,000 or kung 5 years yung plan mo, 43,200 yung starting. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung back office ko. Okay? Now, ito yung importanteng presentation. I want you guys to watch this. Panoorin nyo to at you take notes kasi nandito yung pruweba na nagbayad na sila ng mga miyembro nung nauna pa sa atin. Okay? So, nandito yun. So, ngayon, ang fee, $100 lang. Okay? In 36 months, meron kang $35,000. So, in other words, mag-open ka ng account, tapos patulugin mo na. And then, i-monitor mo yung back office mo, makikita mo doon yung nangyayari. Okay? After 36 months o 3 years, meron ka ng 35,000 na pwede mong i-withdraw. Or, kung 5 years, meron kang 471,000. Magkano ang cost mo? $100 lang. So, $100 sa 36 months, $100 sa 60 months, meron kang $200 na handling fee. In 36 months, meron kang 35,000. And in 60 months or 5 years, meron kang 471,000. Bahala ka na kung anong gagawin mo doon sa pera. Okay? Pwede ka magkaroon ng multiple contracts kung gusto mo. Okay? So, ito yung, kaya nung nakita ko to, sabi ko, my gosh, $100 lang eh, ano yun, dinner money lang natin yan. We spend $100 in dinner, okay? So, ilagay mo rito, in 3 years, meron kang 35,000. Or in 5 years, meron kang 471,000, di ba? Okay. So, ito yung overview. Earn passive income, generate interest, okay? Meron kang fixed starting capital from the bank. Makikita mo yan sa back office mo. Daily compounding. You can have up to 20 contracts kung gusto mo. And then there's over 450,000 members na. Bitcoin ang ginagamit dito. 2016 pa sila, so ilan na? 7 years old na. Total anonymity sa mga parties, walang financial or contractual obligation. Tapos, pag nag-refer ka ng mga kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo, may commission din. Okay? Merong referral commission. Bayad ka agad yun. Instant yun. Okay. So, ang focus ko, itong 35,000 in 36 months and 471,000 in 60 months. Okay. Pag nag-refer ka, meron kang 30%. Second level, third level, hindi ko na importante yun kasi dito, ang thought process ko, i-refer ko yung mga kaibigan ko at saka mga kamag-anak ko para sila makinabang doon sa pera na darating. No? Yan. In 36 months, 35,000. In 60 months, 471,000. So ano ibig sabihin yan? Yung mga hindi nakapag-prepara ng retirement, pwede mong gamitin to pang retirement mo. In 5 years, meron kang 471,000. Ang cost mo, $100 lang. Isang dinner lang yun. Di ba? So, yun ang nakita ko dito. $100 lang, ang laki ng balik. Makaantay ka nga lang, but it's okay. Walang problema yun. Okay, so, pag may mga questions kayo, or you need help, ito yung contact information ko, text me or email me, okay? Now, let me show you my back office. Okay. Ito, actually, back office ito ng wife ko, ng misis ko. Okay? Dito, importante, hindi ka pwede mag-stocking. Ibig sabihin nun, halimbawa ikaw, sinign up mo yung asawa mo, anak mo, huwag ka maglalagay ng tao sa ilalim nila. Bawal yun. Okay? Pag nalaman ng company yun, iti-terminate ka. So ang gawin mo, yung position mo, doon ka mag-recruit at maglagay ng mga tao. Pero you can sign up yung asawa mo o yung anak mo para sila makinabang. Okay? So ito, sinign up ko yung wife ko. Okay? Ito yung email address niya, wallet address. And then, kinunan ko siya ng, oops, login ulit ako. Ang dali-dali lang mag-set up ng account, tapos ang dali mag-open ng contract. I'll show it to you. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay. So ito yung contracts na binili ko sa kanya. Noong April 14, yung 36 months. Tapos May 8, 60 months. May 10, nagdagdag ako ng 36 months. Tapos May 10, ulit 60 months. Okay? So ibig sabihin yan, in 36 months, meron siyang $70,000. Okay? In 3 years. Pagkatapos, in 5 years, meron siyang 471,000 times 2. Okay? So 471 times 2 is 942,000. So, pambayad na ng bahay yun. In 5 years lang, 5 years lang, boom, pwede mo nang bayaran yung bahay o bumili ka ng bagong bahay or gamitin mo yung 942,000 sa retirement mo. Yun ang nakita ko dito. Magkano lang ang cost? $100, $100, $100, $100, $400. Okay? $200 in 3 years, magiging 70,000. Okay? Bayaran mo na yung kotse mo, bayaran mo yung mga bills mo, di ba? Tapos in 5 years, yung $200 mo, meron kang 942,000. So pang retirement mo, pambayad mo ng bahay, pangtulong mo sa mga anak mo, whatever you want. Okay? So ngayon, pag ito yung overview, makikita nyo dito yung contracts yan. Ito yung summary. Dalawang contract, 36 months. Dalawang contract, 60 months. Yan. Tapos, ang total ngayon na nasa back office ko is 147,000. So makikita mo yan, umaandar. Yung nilagay nila na pera, umiikot, umaandar siya. Okay? And pwede mo i-monitor ito araw-araw o once a week, once a month, makikita mo lumalaki ng lumalaki yan. Okay? So, it's working. Yan. Makikita mo yung back office mo. Ngayon, kung gusto mo bumili ng contract, punta ka lang dito sa wallet, tapos magdeposito ka. Bitcoin ang kailangan. So click mo deposit with BTC. Ang minimum is 100. Dagdagan mo ng konti. Gawin mo 105 o 110 kasi may mga fee na dinidita. Kailangan meron kang at least 100 net doon sa account mo. Okay? Tapos i-transfer mo na yung Bitcoin doon sa wallet mo. Okay? Now, once na dumating yung Bitcoin doon, punta ka sa My Portfolio, apply dito. Tapos makikita mo ngayon dito, pamili ka. Anong gusto mo? 36 months, $100. 60 months, $100. Okay? So kung 36 months yan, i-click mo rito, start staking, yan. Tapos i-click mo, continue to invest. Boom! That's it. Ganun lang, simple-simple, napakadali. Okay? So, tapos, pag nag-refer ka ng mga kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo, dito mo makikita yon. My referral, okay? Overview, yan. Wala siyang referral kasi ito yung account ng wife ko eh. So, let me log out of here. Log out ako. Tapos, magla-login ako doon sa account ko. Remember, bawal ang stocking dito. Okay? So, importante yan. Pwede mo i-sign up yung asawa mo, anak mo, pero hindi ka pwede maglagay ng mga tao sa ilalim nila. Kailangan sa ilalim mo. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung account ko. Inumpisahan ko to noong February. Okay? Meron akong kontrata 36 months noong February 12. Tapos April 14, okay, nagdagdag ako ng isa pang contract. And then May 10, nagdagdag ako ng 5 years. Ito. So, tatlo yung contracts ko dito. Importante sa akin yung 36 months, at least dalawa, para bayaran ko yung kotse ko in cash in 3 years, tapos bayaran ko lahat yung bills ko. So wala na akong bills na babayaran. And then, after 5 years, meron akong 471,000. Okay? Ayun, pang ano na yun, pang retirement, pang biyahe, whatever. So, ang goal ko is dadagdagan ko tong 60 months ng at least isa pa. So, minimum dalawa sa 60 months, minimum dalawa, tatlo sa 36 months para meron kang more than enough na pera to cover your whatever projects you have. Okay? And then referral dito, makikita mo yung overview. Okay? So far, 10 na yung ni-refer ko na nag-sign up. Okay? Tapos, nag-refer sila ng 3. So ito, para sa mga kaibigan to, kaibigan, kamag-anak. Okay? Hindi ito yung re-recruitin mo lahat ng tao. No. Ito yung para makatulong ka sa kanila. Okay? Kasi isipin mo, $100 lang. Ano yun? Dinner money natin. Pagkatapos, in 3 years, ang balik sa'yo, 35,000. In 5 years, ang balik sa'yo, 471,000. Aba, life-changing yun, di ba? That is life-changing. So, yun ang overview nito. And makikita nyo, dito sa account ko, meron akong 106,000 na umiikot. Yan. And then I have 3 contracts. 2 na 36 months, isa na 60 months. Yan. So makikita mo rito yan. Pagka meron kang 36 months na contract, makikita mo rito, lalabas yan, mga $30,000 ang umpisa. Tapos rorolyo siya ng rorolyo. Lalaki ng lalaki. And then kung 60 months, mas malaki. I think mag-uumpisa ng 42,000. So, makikita mo rito. Yan. So, since February pa tong account ko. Okay? February 12. So, March, April, May, 3 months na ako dito. Okay, so yan ang Cryptex, and that's why ginagawa ko siya kasi ang laki ng kapalit, ang laki ng balik sa atin. Okay, so ito yung bottom line. In 36 months, 35,000. In 60 months, 471,000. So life-changing, okay? Magkano lang ang kapital mo? $100 lang to pay the fee, di ba? So, ang laki ng difference. So, yun ang rason kung bakit ginagawa ko tong Cryptex. Life-changing ito. Imaginein mo in 3 years meron kang 35,000 na pwede mo i-cash. And then in 60 months or 5 years meron kang 471,000. So, pambayad mo ng kotse, pang-umpisa mo ng negosyo, pambayad mo ng bills, pang-retirement, pambili ng bahay, pambayad ng bahay. Bahala ka na. It's up to you. Pero, life-changing. Okay? So with that, Rick Aguilos here, maraming salamat for spending the time with me. And ito yung first Zoom natin in Tagalog kasi nire-request ng mga kasamahan natin na gagawa ako ng Zoom in Tagalog. Okay? I'll see you in the next Zoom. God bless each and every one of you. Bye-bye.